Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert slide transitions in Google Slides. This tutorial will be very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now before starting, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Also, if this is your first time using this software, please refer to a video that we have already uploaded on our YouTube channel, in which it is a how-to guide for beginners of using Google Slides, in which we already discussed the basic features and functions of this software, as well as a brief introduction on when to use it. We also have separate tutorials for the different features and functions of these software and other Google softwares, such as Google Docs and Google Sheets, which are all compiled to a dedicated playlist on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out as well. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in my Google Slides file, in which we have multiple slides with videos, shapes, text box, objects, and many more. Now, to make our slide more appealing, I would like to add a transition into it. And adding a transition, it's actually quite more easier than what you think it is. And adding transitions can make it a bit more fun if you are looking for that, but it can also make our slides more formal if you are, let's say for example, proposing an idea. Now, to add a transition into our slide, make sure that you have selected the slide in which you want to add a transition to on the left side of your screen. And then on your upper panel of the screen, under your ribbons tab, click on the transition button right over here. And now, as you can see on our right side, we got the motion tab in which we can add our transition to. Click on this icon right over here and then look for the transition that you would like to add. Let's say for example, you want dissolve. Click on play to preview it, and that is what it should look like. Now click on the next slide. Click on stop. Click on the next slide and then add a different transition. Let's say for example, flip. On the other slide, I want it to be gallery, and the first slide I want it to be slide from the right. And now as you can see, if I want to present it, all I have to do is to press the slideshow button right over here. And now as you can see, it will apply the transitions that we have added earlier. The first one is fade, we got the flip, it automatically plays the video, and then we got the gallery. As simple as that, we can make our slides more appealing and engaging by adding simple transitions into it. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.